Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install 2FA with Fidelity for account and transfer security step by step clearly. To enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, with Fidelity for enhanced account security, start by visiting the Fidelity login page. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the profile settings. Look for the security or account security section within the profile settings. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method for receiving the verification code. Options usually include text message, email, or an authentication app. If you choose text message, enter your mobile number and click Send Code. Check your phone for the verification code sent by Fidelity. Enter the code into the provided field, then click Verify. If you opt for an authentication app, follow the instructions after scanning, the app will generate a verification code for you. Input the code from the app into the verification field and click Verify. Once verification is successful, your 2FA will be active. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your security settings are updated. For added security, consider reviewing your recovery options in case you lose access to your 2FA method. Log out of your account and log back in to test the 2FA setup. You should now receive a verification code upon login, confirming that 2FA is successfully implemented. Your Fidelity account is now more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.